guys, I'm Sheryl with Off the Jacks here at SEMA 2018, and I am with Cody Freeze of Badass Workbenches. And let me tell you, I stopped because of the name, and then I came over and looked at them, and these are amazing. So, Cody, where are you out of?
We're out of Kearney, Nebraska. We service the entire country. Here at SEMA, in the last couple days, we've sold benches from coast to coast, border to border. We've sold benches to Canada, a couple to Australia. So that's pretty cool. You don't get to do that every day.
Exactly. And so these aren't just workbenches. These are heavy freaking duty workbenches.
They are. They're over the top, lifetime warranty. We do custom work as well. So you dream it, we build it. You can order your own color, your own layout. We have a bunch of standard different models that we do, but we'll do custom stuff as well. So,
and one of the things I noticed, for one, this is just a beautiful color, but you don't have to pick this color. If you're sending it to me, this would be nice. But these are heavy. Whenever I go to open, watch this, I can't.
Right.
And I find this
gets a complete access to the whole drawer. So instead of pulling the drawer out and stepping away from the bench, you can open the drawer and access the drawer and still work
at the same
bench.
time.
So, yep.
And now, can this be made any sizes?
Yeah, we have 4 different standard sizes of drawers. We have 3-inch, 6-inch, 9-inch, and then we have a 24-inch power drawer for power tools.
Okay. And so, is this the standard layout normally, or is
that's something? A pretty popular one, but we also do. You can pick that as well. So if you want all 3-inch drawers or all 6-inch drawers, a combination of different sizes of drawers. Maybe you want this drawer layout here, or over here we've got a bunch of 3-inch drawers. So that's a different layout, but it's completely customizable. You can pick your colors, your drawer layouts, the sizes. You want divider kits, no divider kits, pegboard, no pegboard, lights. I mean, you dream it, we build it.
Literally. This isn't no BS.
Nope.
You will do it. And then here, of course, we have the bigger, like the Wagner types.
Right. So if maybe you want to put a fridge in your shop, or maybe you got a plasma cutter or a welder, or a special, larger item that won't fit in a drawer, you can throw one in there. The bottom drawer is the power drawer. Of course, that's for power tool storage, and they're heavy.
Oh, snap!
Yeah, they're nice.
I love this.
Yeah, it's cool.
To me, these are just cool. I mean, we've been all over SEMA, and there's all kinds of things, but with this, what I think is amazing is that you will make what you want.
Yep, and that's one thing that sets us apart. We can change the height of the table, the thickness of the top, all different options, and we want you guys to buy one bench. That's it. You want to buy one, you buy it, you do it right the first time. This is going to be handed down from generation to generation. If it's going in your garage, you're going to give it to your grandkids someday. If it's going in your shop, it's going to last for 50 years. The guys that are going to be working on it, when you retire, you just don't have to worry about it. There's nothing that'll wear out on this bench.
Yeah, because everything is sturdy.
Yep.
It's not one of those that when you touch it, it wobbles.
It's not going to wiggle on
I
you.
was going to say, I would have no qualms about standing on this to change a light bulb. So, and how can people find you online so that they can go and start looking to pick out their Christmas presents?
There you go. You bet. It's just right around the corner, right? It's www.badassworkbench.us. That'll get you all our information. We also have dealers throughout the country. So if you got somebody, if you live in Florida, for example, we have a dealer there to save you some freight. But you can customize your bench and order, from us as well. So we'll get you in touch with the right people, but that's a great place to start.
So if they go there, they'll be able to locate you.
Yeah, they can call us. We can send them to a dealer. They can contact their local dealer. There's a Find a Dealer page on there with a map of the United States. They just pick which one's closest to them, and they get their bench coming.
These are awesome, and I'm going to, as soon as we get done talking to Cody, I'm going to show you a couple other little pieces. So don't leave yet, but this is awesome because I got to show them this.
Absolutely.
This is another top thing. So now we've turned around a little bit, and I want you to tell me about this bench.
So this is a fabrication table. It's a jig table. So if you're doing repetitive parts. Maybe you're building a frame, or you're building something you need precise and square. That's you don't want to move around on you. If you're jigging up for whatever, it could be a table end, or it could be a race car frame. It could be, you know, a sign. It could be anything. So, you know, it's got holes in it, 5/8 holes. It allows you to move tooling around, clamp it down. When you get done with that part, you can pull it out. You can lay new parts in there and weld them up, and you're going to get the same results time and time again. So it's a pretty handy table to have.
And this is really thick. That one was thick. This one is not going.
This is 1/2 inch here. So.
Yeah.
But we make these all different sizes. This is a 3x4. We can put sides on them as well. We can do up to about 4x8, about as big as we're going to go. If any bigger than that, we'll just add tables together. But they're awesome.
Yeah, I just think this is too cool because I have worked before and you're trying to get clamped to the edge of tables and stuff. So this would be super handy.
Definitely your advice. All right.
Okay.
This is an accessory cabinet. So the only disadvantage to our drawers is you can't get long tools in there. So if you got pry bars or straight edges that are longer than about 30 inches, you can't fit them in our drawer. So we came out with the accessory cabinet, we call it. It's a slide out drawer. It's a place to put pry bars, straight edges, pipe wrenches, sledgehammers, levels, any long tools like that. So you can order it without the cart. So if you want a place to hang a jacket, a welding helmet, or something else, you can do that as well.
And that is so handy because with each individual hole, it's not going to fall out when you open the door and end up with it on your feet or anybody else.
Yep, you're not gonna ruin a $200 torque wrench by throwing it in the drawer and ramming it around. You want to take good care of those things.
Well, this is amazing. I've looked at a lot of things, and like I said, I love this because it's very organized.
Yep, it helps.
And trust me, whenever you get sent to the shop to get something, and they say it's in some drawer out there,
yeah,
that's a mess.
Yeah, they're real easy to label. Obviously, the divider kits, you can partition them however you want. I can help you with all the storage options. I just can't make you put the tools back where they belong. You're going to have to do that
That's
on your
kind
own.
of like putting the toilet seat down. Huh?
Yeah.
You can yell and yell, but I don't
Yeah,
mean
that's just the
nothing.
way it works.
Well, Cody, thank you so much
Yeah,
because
nice to meet you.
I love these. And if you guys are looking for a way to organize that messy shop and get something that's going to last, you get over there, check out the website, which is,
badassworkbench.us.
and get that ordered up because Cody and his team are going to make sure you get exactly what you need. Thanks.